Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. I'm here today to throw in my 2 cents or my model kit into the under 1,000 group bid. And this is just another one of those things that makes me very happy to be in this community, that they'll get together and they will put on a group build like this just for us smaller subscribers that have less than 1,000 subscribers, like John over at Amateur Scale Model Building, Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella, Vinny over at Gemini Model Works. Bunch of great people. If you haven't seen their channels, go check them out. If you haven't seen mine, check mine out. But anyways, on to my pick for the under 1,000 group build. I did think about it a lot and was having a tough time making a decision. If you haven't seen it, just last week I showed you the box opening for Shirley Murdowney's funny car, and that looks like a great kit. And I think you can find the video somewhere over there. But I've also been lucky enough to go to a couple of estate sales and pick up some great kits there. There's a video of that also that will be somewhere. So I went back and forth, and I even talked to my friend Tiffany about it and what she was going to build for it. But I think I finally picked something.
Pappy, quit your gibbering and tell us.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is what I picked. The NPC Tiger Shark. This is one of the ones that I got at the estate sale, and I think that building this would kind of be almost like a little honor or tribute to the guys that originally bought some of these kits, and I think that'll make it a little bit nicer. But hey, while you're here, let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what this kit's got. I did a real quick opening on this just to show a little bit in the other video, but let's take a better look inside this now. Got some nice Firestone pad printed tires. Looks like gold writing on it. Does that look gold to you guys? Huh. Cool. And check out this body. Hang on a second. I'm going to grab the scissors so I can open up a bag or two. And wow, that is a radical looking thing. Everything's off center and just different. It's like a dune buggy, but not. Opening doors, opening hood. This will be cool. It comes with like a trophy display case base thing on it. That looks like the turntable for it. And some other parts. There's the underside. Got some inner door panels, some outer door panels, big old high back bucket seats. I had to look on the box. It's got a Ford engine in it. Very cool Kragers. Side door panels, I think. No idea what that is. Wheel backs. These look like wheel retainers. I didn't see any metal axles. I know some things are going to be different with this build, because I was looking on the box and it showed the exhaust manifold header type being installed towards the front. And at first I thought that was a misprint, but here it is in the instructions too. It's showing in the box. See, it has the exhaust manifold coming to the front. That'll be cool. Cool looking tube frame. The metal ball bearings are for the display trophy stand. And this is the only decals in the kit, is just this little thing right here that says Tiger Shark. That's alright. What else are you going to put on it? I think this would be pretty cool. Well, custom body like this certainly deserves a paint job worthy of it. And we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon on Pappy Tinkers.